That's right, guys. It's Tuesday. It's the beginning of an abbreviated trading week. Only 4 days of stocks this week. That's right. And, well, for the most part, stocks, they're really not off to a good start. But who cares? I am, right? I had a 3-day weekend, saw friends in Boston watch Chelsea humiliate Swansea. And I actually got to rush back to a TV to see the second half of the Chelsea-Liverpool match right now. And I actually got some time to sleep and rest up. That's why I'm actually full of energy. So I'm going to keep going and try to keep the positive vibes flowing. So this is how I do it. It's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed. And that's right, it's time for the first happy hour of the work week here in the Big Apple. So, as I said earlier, U.S. stocks, they've been in the red this afternoon, giving up early gains as the price of oil saw yet another dramatic drop, and after a series of mixed quarterly reports. Now, first on the economic front, stocks holding on to session lows as a gauge of home builder sentiment came in at 57 in January. That's down from 58 in December. Meanwhile, crude oil prices falling after the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, for those of you that don't know, cut its outlook for global economic growth for 2015 and 2016, projecting growth of 3.5% this year and 3.7% next year, both down 0.3 percentage points from previous estimates. Meanwhile, with investors looking ahead to the European Central Bank, which is expected to announce a program of government bond purchases on Thursday, and a steady rise in the US dollar against the euro, then you have yourself a session where decliners outpacing advancers by a 2-to-1 ratio right here behind me at the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the first trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, Halliburton rising after the oil field services supplier reported a quarterly profit. Delta Airlines rising after the carrier posted earnings above estimates, and Morgan Stanley dropping after the brokerage posted earnings below expectations. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, and grab yourself a drink. And also realize we only have 3 more sessions left to the week. That's beautiful, right? And by the way, come on, Chelsea. Let's take care of Liverpool. All right, guys? And until tomorrow morning, and I'm sure there'll be a Chelsea win, and I'll be happy again. I'm James Swinney, saying I'll see you in the morning.